Awesome. So this week we're doing lesson 4. I actually did this, printed out, so my preparation assignment is blank on my computer. So.
It seemed a little easier today.
Mm-hmm.
Did you think so too?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So, let me find it again. I'm not understanding super duper well the I'm not understanding super duper well the mean of a discrete random variable. Like, whoa, how? I'm not understanding why it would be useful, I guess. Or what we would use it for. I don't know. I understand probability pretty well. I think that's a very simple thing that we already knew. But
I'm not sure. It really doesn't tell us why it's useful. I'm looking at it, seeing if I see anything.
it says it is important to be able to compute the population mean of a discrete random variable. That's all we get that I found.
Yeah, and then it goes into defining what random is and what discrete is.
Right.
Although it says we're not going to get totally into answering what discrete is. I thought that was kind of weird.
Right. So.
Important that we know how to do it.
Okay, so I guess we're just gonna go to part 2. Does somebody want a screen share for the homework?
Yeah, I can. I don't have anything written on my script.
Sweet. Awesome.
In the 8-sided dice, 8 possible outcomes for each roll. Calculate the probability of rolling a number greater than 5.
So that'd be 6, 7, and 8.
Mm-hmm.
So that'd be 3 out of 8 chances. So 37.5.
That's what I got.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a 37.5% chance that you'll get a 6, 7, or 8.
And calculate the probability of not getting a number greater than 5.
So that'd be the rest, 62.5.
Right, because that's one of the 3 rules of probability. So that makes sense. It's 37. It's 1 minus 37.5, which is 62.5.
Right. That's all the homework, right?
It is. That's the shortest homework we've had so far.
And may it get even shorter. But, so I guess we're ready for the quiz already?
I guess. Is there anything else that we needed to discuss?
I didn't think so.
Kelsey, is there anything else you needed to talk about?
No, I don't have any questions.
It seemed pretty straightforward today.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can start the quiz. Let's see. Let me open it. Oh, I'm not even in iLearn. Okay, give me just a minute to open mine. Well, the good news is we figured out Google Hangout really quickly this time. That was kind of fun.
Yeah, that was record time.
Okay. Now, if I could figure out I learned 3 that quickly, that'd be great. Okay. I'm almost there. Oh no, I got an internal error. That can't be good. Did you get your? Did you guys get yours open already?
The quiz? Yeah, I'm there.
Yep. Shoot. Okay, hold on. It's not liking it.
I can screen share the quiz.
Okay, that'd be great. I'm almost there, I promise. It's actually opening this time. Alright, go ahead.
Y'all seeing it?
No. I mean, I see it on mine, but I don't...
You not see it on mine?
I just see a black page. Try again. There.
Got it?
Nope.
Nope.
It was there.
Okay, let me try one more time.
Now we see you.
Screen share. Lesson 4. How about now?
Nope.
No.
So apparently I'm not allowed to do this if somebody else wants to try.
Alright. Yeah, I can screen share it. Possibly. Okay, hold on. Why is my page not... Oh, that's why. Okay. Alright, you guys see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, the first ones are the same every time that we participated. Moving on. Okay, so information. While you're required to work together on this quiz, each member of the group must submit. Okay. Use the following information to answer the next 3 problems. Human blood can be classified into one of our basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following table. So question 3. The blood types and the proportions given in the table define a probability distribution. Probability distribution.
Yes. I said yes because all of them added together equals 1.
Does it? Okay. All right. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? Round to the nearest 2 decimals.
The 0.45. That's just reading a chart, I think.
Is this a trick question, or is...
Yeah, I don't understand. Okay, but yeah, that's what I said. feel like I'm being tricked. Like these are very apparently easy.
So just, do I put it as 0.45 or 45? 0.45, right?
0.45, round to 2 decimal places. I'm assuming. But it's not rounding. I don't understand.
Because if you add all the numbers together, it's 1, and so it's still 45%, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the probability a selected person will have type O blood?
Point. So the first one is it does have type
Oh,
O.
well,
The
not.
second one does not. And the answer would be
Sorry.
0.55, which is the rest of it, right?
Right. Helps if I read it correctly. All right, does somebody else want to read the next section?
Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Dangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer, while 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. Question 6. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient round to the 3 decimal places? I said 1 divided by 7, which is 0.143.
I'm sorry, what is 1 divided by 7.1?
143.
Which makes sense. Yep. All right. Combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely the dog would do this by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? So the probability of just finding it is 14.3%. All right, so I should have grabbed a calculator. There's no calculator here. Okay, I don't know.
What are we looking at?
Question 7.
In a combined total of 54 trials, the dog correctly identified. I said it. Since it said it is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone, I said this provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. Because with less than a 15% chance of getting it right, even though I got it right less than half the time, a little bit less than half is a lot more than 15%. Does that make sense?
Okay.
So it wouldn't be like a revolutionary way to detect cancer, but it would be it could do it some of the time. I don't know.
Question 8. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored first? Or would it be 0.13?
Yeah, yeah, that's what I said.
And then number 9 is
What is
the
the
same except for green.
I said green would be 0.16 because it's 1 minus 0.13 minus 0.14 minus 0.13 minus 0.24 minus 0.2.
And 5, is that what you said?
What was that?
Was it 0.15?
I got 0.16.
0.6.
Yeah, because everything else added up to 0.84.
Which is the
So
answer
that-
to the next question.
Oh. So what's the probability the randomly selected candy is not green? It's 0.84.
Yeah.
The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States were taken from .com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Half of the observations were less than or equal to.
The median 24, right?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of students scored above what number?
27.
27.
Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? The probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur. That is true. A probability is a number between 0 and 1. Also true. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative. That is not true.
Because you can't have a negative probability.
Right. And the last one is true. So.
All right, that's it. Let's see how we did. I can submit it first if you guys want to see what.
Done.
Okay.
100%, because we're the best.
Woo!
Okay. Yay!
Awesome. So is that it? We good?
Yep.
See you guys Wednesday?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yep. And
I like this
you'll
group.
post it, Justin?
Yes.
I know, this is awesome.
All right. You guys have a great night.
You too.
All right, see you Wednesday.
Bye.
Bye.